Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And in today's tutorial guys, or should I say in today's unboxing, we'll be looking at this very cool Galaxy Book, and this is the Galaxy Book Pro. And of course this is a laptop from Samsung. This is a Windows based laptop, and of course it's on the Intel Evo platform. And the Evo platform is for thin and light computers. Now, of course, these Evo platform devices, they feature super sleek and slim design along with high performance. So as you can see here guys, or should I say, as I'm outlining, this is a Windows 11 based system. It comes with the 11th gen Intel Core i7 processors, which is on the higher end of processors. So this is a performance-based device. It has 16 gigabytes of RAM, and of course it comes with 512 gigabyte SSD, and of course they promise long battery life. You can pick this up on Amazon. I'll put a link below in the description. But of course guys, please also note we picked this up on a holiday special, so of course I'll be doing the unboxing of this great device. This is a work-based device, and of course I like the thin form factor for the performance and of course for the portability. This is the 15.6-inch device, and it comes with a AMOLED screen. So as you can see, this is the box, brand new. You can even see that it still has on the paper wrap. This is the front, as you can see, with the Galaxy Book Pro on the front. This works great with your Samsung based devices as it connects and adds new features. All right, so I'm going to show you around the product. Top side, it says Intel inside. Here it gives the warning for the battery on the inside. So of course that's cool. Recycling logo. This side it says Samsung. And of course on this side it says Galaxy Book Pro. I opted for the Mystic blue version, as you can see on the preview. You can actually get this also in, you can also get it in silver, and I'm just going to remove this. So let's first remove the plastic wrap. Alright guys, so plastic wrap removed, and of course now you can see the product right here. And of course I'm gonna remove the cover. Do forgive me, I'm trying to do this with one hand, so forgive me for mess ups ahead of time. Alright guys, so we're gonna lift the cover. So right away the cover comes off. Alright, first I must say great presentation. So as you can see, the device front and center. Next to that, you can actually notice the charger brick over here. You do get this outside the box, and of course the device itself. So let me first remove this. All right, so it does lift up, very light, but for now let's put this aside. So check this out guys, inside of here you do get the charge cable, which seems to be USB type C. All right, great. I'll put this up here. I do have the charger brick over on this side. All right, so the charger brick has a good weight to it. Based on what I've seen. So of course it says Samsung on it. Put this aside, and of course we can place this back. Next we have the documentation right here, and that's it for the contents of the packaging. So we're gonna check out what's inside of here. As you can see here inside, there is the Samsung documentation and of course the user guide. All right, so we're gonna put these back. All right guys, so as you can see here, this is the device. So you have the Galaxy Book Pro, and as you see the brilliant finish, and that's the Mystic blue. You can see the contents of the packaging, which includes the user manual, the adapter, the USB type C cable for charging, and of course you can see the main star of the show right here, which is the Galaxy Book Pro itself. Now of course this is my first time handling this device, so I'm going to try to go ahead and lift with the one-handed approach. And of course right away I'm very impressed. You can see this brilliant screen, which is the 15.6 AMOLED display. You can check out the touchpad, the keypad beneath the protective covering that comes with this. So right away, guys, I'm going to remove this, and as you can see, the brilliant finish of the keypad, and of course you can see the touchpad right here. You get a full QWERTY keyboard along with a numeric pad. There's the Energy Star rating, and there's the Intel Evo, and it does say it's here powered by Core i7. And over here, guys, you can just zoom in. All right, so we can see the overall look. We do get the webcams and mic, and of course beautiful Samsung logo here. And if we go to the sides of the device, check out the inputs or input ports, you can see here that we have a full HDMI port followed by USB Type-C port, and of course I think another lightning connector right here. And of course that's beautifully implemented. This thing is super light and super thin. If you can see right here, it's only millimeters thick. And of course, if we go to the other side right here, you can see we have headphone jacks and a USB Type-C port, and of course a micro SD card slot right here. You might not be able to see that very well, but of course it's right there at the side. All right, so far so good. So guys, we're gonna try this out now by powering this up. So of course the touch pad right here, which is a fingerprint sensor. You can see the regular keys. So let's go ahead and power this up for the first time. So let's try again. All right, we might have to charge this a bit before trying to power up again for the first time. So there's a protective covering over the touchpad right here, which is touch sensitive. So I'm going to try to remove it. All right, so it comes right off, and of course it shows the touch symbol. Put this aside, and of course I'm going to try to power on. All right, I'm getting nothing so far, so I'm going to charge before trying again. All right, guys, so I've plugged in the device, USB Type-C cable at the side, so I'm going to try to power on. There you go. So beautiful. It says Samsung Galaxy on the screen. Might have been drained due to the fact that it hasn't been powered on in a while. So it's a good idea to just plug this in. I think it's at there's a little charge to it. But of course, forgive me for the glare again, guys. This display is quite beautiful. And of course, Windows is setting up for the first time. So let's just give it a little time to do its thing. Alright guys, so check it out. It's Windows 11. Of course, straight out of the box, you do get Windows 11. This is an unboxing video. I'll do the review video separately. And of course, it gives you the language. I might skip the setup process. Hey guys, so as you can see here, the device is up and of course running. As you can see, it took a few updates right out of the box. But you can see here Windows 11 in all of its glory. For now, this is just a unboxing and a quick look at this device to see what you're getting. I'll have the full review as well as Windows 11 tutorials in the future, so do stay tuned for those videos. All right, so let's do the basic run through just to review. As you can see here, the keyboards are backlit. They do come on based on the lighting in the room. If it's dark, they'll be more apparent. If you come down here at the Explorer, which is the File Explorer, you'll see the new Windows layout. If I look at the properties of this PC, as you can see here, guys, it will show you the information. So as you can see here, this is actually the power of the PC. As you can see here as well, it will show that it's a 11th gen Intel Core i7 processor, 2.8 gigahertz, and of course you can see that is 16 gigs of RAM with 5.7 gigs usable. And of course, you can see the operating system is Windows 11 Home Edition, and you can see the other information right here. As for this, I'll just close this out. Let's look at this PC, and you can see the storage here, which is 413 gigs, free of 460 gigs, which is a 500 gig SSD that's built into this device. All right, so as you can see again, Windows 11 is a bit different, but so far so good. So right out of the box, guys, this starts up beautifully. I'll have a full review as soon as I play around with this a bit. So as you can see, the basic setup, you have run through the ports of this device. So as you can see, Windows 11 quite nice out of the box, and of course this Samsung Pro, Galaxy Pro, or Samsung Book Pro is a great device. As I said, I'll have the link below in case you want to purchase, but of course I'm just gonna close off here with just the overview. So let's talk about the things that I like about this device. First of all, the display is quite brilliant. It is super nice, and of course it's the same display that's found in Samsung phones, which is the AMOLED display. So everything is that much prettier when viewed on this display. So the display is a plus, it's 1080p. Keyboard along with the the numeric keypad is a great addition, and of course the touchpad I don't really like so far, just because while it's big, it does get some interference issues doing things that I don't like, but that's just the initial look. We'll talk more about that in the full-on review. You can see the i7 processor for performance, and all around this device is a beast in terms of all around this device is a powerhouse in terms of performance. All right, guys, so I'm gonna end the unboxing and first impressions here, but of course the coming full review will go through all the merits of this device to show you its capabilities, and I'll give you my feedback experience in that full-on review. So this is just a unboxing and a quick look. All right, guys, if you have any questions, you can ask them below. As always, Ricardo saying bye until next time. Bye, guys.